good morning, class. Before we start, again, I will remind you of our online etiquettes. First, mute your microphone. It is only open if you are called or if you have something to say. You can use our chat box, class. And second, keep your cameras or webcams open so I can see if you are listening. Okay, can you please open your cameras? Okay, good. Alright. So let us pray first. Can you please lead our prayer? Yuan.
Sige po.
Okay, everybody, let us stand up. So thank you, Yuan. Again, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning. For those who can open your cameras or webcams, can you please open your cams? Okay, very good. Are you complete today? Oh, okay. Thank you because you are here, but we have some absentees. For everyone, let us do a virtual clap. Okay, very good. So how's your day? Is it good so far? Okay, that's good to know. So, are you to discuss for our new topic today? Okay, nice. So, before that, before we proceed to our discussion class, I have prepared a short but fun game here. I called it as a Jamboard puzzle. So here are the mechanics. So I will present to the screen the Jamboard. But first, are you familiar with Jamboard, class? Some of you are not. So here, I will present the Jamboard. Then I will share the link to our chat box. Okay, so the whole class will solve the puzzle or the Jamboard puzzle for 2 minutes. All you have to do is solve this Jamboard puzzle. Just drag each pieces of the puzzle until you solve it. And just a second, wait for my signal. Okay, you may start. Just simply click the link in our chat box and you can get direct access to our Jamboard. Okay, almost. Just click the piece and you can drag it. Almost. Let's try to help each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 10 students are answering. How about the others? Okay. That's good. Okay, that's alright. So time is up, and then after you solve our Jamboard puzzle class, do you have any idea what our topic will be today?
Muscular system po.
Okay, very good. You may raise your hand if you want to answer, but for those who answered first, very good. Okay, we are going to study today is about the muscular system, and also we will study or discuss what are the types of muscles and how does it works. But first class, before that, do you still remember our topic last meeting? Okay, Princess, you want to answer? Marco,
Bones po at joints.
okay, very good. What the others?
Human body systems po.
Okay, very good, Jelia. Okay, so very good class. So our topic last meeting is very important. That was about the skeletal system and some parts of the skeletal system like bones, some cartilage, joints, tendons, ligaments, etc. So, do you know where the different muscles are located in your body, class? You try to think where you can find your muscle.
The
Do you have
brain,
it?
the heart, under the skin.
Okay, very good, Ethan. So, for example, look for the muscles in your arm. To do this, place your right hand over your right shoulder, like this. So, place your right hand or arm on on the top of your right shoulder, like this. Now, look at what happened in the upper part of your arm here. You try to do this. Okay? Do you see the bulge there? Here, at the top. This is muscle in the upper part of your arm, or our arm. The bulge part plus is a muscle, and that is one of our muscles in the arm. This is what we call the biceps. If you can touch your biceps there, here, the top of your arm, and you can try to do it slowly. Again, place our right hand over our right shoulder slowly. And what will you notice, class? Take another look at the upper part of your muscle here. What do you notice? Here, in your upper arm, the muscle, or in your bicep, what do you notice if you try to put it in your upper of your shoulder? Anybody?
It gets bigger po.
Okay, very good, Elizabeth. So, when you are raising your hand, your muscle getting bigger. That's what we call the flexing or the folding class. So, what do you notice in your muscle while you are lowering your arm? What happened? Try put it down.
Muscles.
Again? Sorry. Okay, so that's right. The muscle returns to its original size or shape. Another one class. Do you know how organs of the muscular system work together? Well, if you touch your cheeks, legs, arms, fingers, and stomach, those fleshy parts are what we call muscles. Okay, we will start for our discussion. Again, for those who can open your cameras or webcams, you can turn it on. Okay, the presentation is loading. There. So class, for our lesson today, at the end of this, you or the learners should be able to first identify the parts and functions of the muscular system, and you can explain how the muscular system works, and also you should describe how the three types of muscle different to each other, and also you should locate and describe the types of muscles in the human body. So, some muscles are hard, while others are soft. Your bones are covered with muscles. The combination of skeletal system, or bones, and muscles that work together is also known as musculoskeletal system or muscular skeletal system. So all the muscles in the body make up the muscular system. There. So muscles allow us to move, although bones are joined in different ways to allow movement. Bones cannot move without the muscles that are attached to them. So, all the muscles in the body make up the muscular system again. Okay. So, take a look at these activities involving using muscle. Okay. So, there's a soccer player hitting the ball with the application of muscles also, and skater, and also a lifter. She's using her muscles to lift the big car, and also in some exhibitions. Okay. So those are the activities that with the application of some the use of muscles. So muscles consist of fibers or muscle cells that are held together. Some muscles are large, while others are long. Some are small, while others are short. So, your muscles make up 40% of your total weight. Now, let's see how muscles are connected to the bones. Take a look at this muscle. There is a tough cord which is attached to the bone. This cord class that connects the muscle to the bone is called tendon. Tendons are made up of tough fiber of protein called collagen. When the muscles contract, there the tendon. So, when the muscles contract and that tendon pulls the bone, causing it to move. Trivia time. For our trivia class, for our discussion here. Okay. Do you think, class, how many muscles do you have in the face or in your face? You try to guess. Okay, Ethan?
50.
50, very good. So, like what Ethan said, our face has 50 muscles. Yes, that's right. And you use 17 muscles to smile. There. But you use more than 46 muscles to frown. Oh, so sad. So, which do you think more relaxing, class? When you're smiling or when you're frowning?
You're smiling po.
Okay, very good. Because you're just using 17 muscles. Now, let us describe how muscles work. There are more than 600 muscles in our body that performs different types of actions. All muscles have common characteristics. Muscles can contract and become short. There. So after contraction, muscles can relax and return to their original length. Okay. So muscles react to the signals from the brain. So let's observe. Let's see how the muscles on our arm work. So when you bend your arm, the muscles work in pair, either pulling or relaxing. There, it's either pulling or relaxing. There, you can see in our slide. And the biceps and triceps class work as pair. The bones and muscles work in coordinated way. So, biceps and triceps are the long muscles in the upper arm of our body. There. Again, when you bend your arms, biceps contract while the triceps relax. You have to remember this, class. Again, when you bend your arms, biceps contract. And your triceps relax. Okay? Next. So biceps pull the bones of the lower arm because by the use of the tendon also. So when you put your arms down, like what we did earlier, when you put your arms down, biceps relax, while the tricep contract. That's the difference of these two. Again, class, when you bend your arm, what will happen to your bicep? Elizabeth?
Biceps relax po.
Okay, so thank you for that. How the other? When you bend your arm, what will happen to your biceps? Not this one, the other one. Okay, Princess.
Triceps contract po.
Okay, that's good. So, when you bend your arm, the biceps contract while the tricep relax. That's the other one, the other part a while ago. And this one, when you put your arms down, so our biceps relax, and while the triceps contract. That's the alternate happen. Okay. Next. There are three types of muscles. We have the smooth, we have the cardiac muscles, the smooth muscles, and the skeletal muscles, which is very connected or related to skeletal system. So cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles present only in the heart. Cardiac muscles allow the heart to contract rhythmically and continuously, but still you cannot control the beating of your heart. What do you think, class? Try to guess how many times our heart beats in every minute. You just try to guess. What do you think? How many beats does our heart can do in every minute? 1,000? 60? Okay. So the correct is our heart 100. Okay, so our heart beats 70 times per minute. Oh, very good for Ron.
180?
Oh, that's good. But the correct answer is 70 times. Ron got the correct answer. Or about 100,000 times a day. This means our strong created cardiac muscles work tirelessly whether we are awake or asleep. So you cannot stop your beating even you are awake or you are or even you are when you are sleeping. Okay. So for the second type of muscle, we have the smooth muscles. So smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. These muscles cannot be controlled consciously. These muscles are found in the digestive system, like esophagus, stomach, and intestines. These muscles keep on moving at all times. Like our heart, you have no control over it. Okay. For our third type of muscle, we have the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles that are consciously controlled to move the bones. It is responsible for all kind of movement. Skeletal muscles make up the large part of the arms, legs, chest, and abdomen. You can make these muscles move when you want them to move. What's the next? There. So again, class, what are the three types of muscles?
The muscular system, the digestive system, and the skeletal system.
Okay, very good. How about the others? What are the three types of muscles? Elizabeth?
Cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle po.
Okay, very good. So we have the cardiac muscle, smooth muscles, and the skeletal muscle. Okay. Your body has bones and muscles that work together with the help of joints, ligaments, and tendons. This is just for the review class since we are done with this. Tendon is tough cord that connects muscles to the bones. Ligaments connects the bones with the other bones. Cartilage. Cartilage is a soft and smooth, flexible bone-like that protect the joints. Okay, so to better understand and know how our muscular system works, here is a video I have prepared for you to have more knowledge about what we have discussed.
Hello, also students. This going to I'm waiting here. We are going to learn about the muscular system. We are going to talk about the function of the skeletal muscles, different types of muscles, and how skeletal muscles work. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to talk about is different types of muscles. There are three different types of muscles. The first muscle tissue is the cardiac muscle tissue. Cardiac muscle tissue is found around the lining of the heart. It helps pump the blood and keeps it in voluntary. This means it helps in control of the blood. The second type of muscle tissue is smooth tissue. Smooth muscle tissue is found in the lining of hollow organs. It helps move fluid and it is also involuntary. This means it helps control of the hip. The third type of muscle tissue is skeletal muscle. It resembles the organ tissue that is within our body. Skeletal muscle tissue is connected to both two tendons. It helps move the body and it is voluntary. It helps control. So what are the functions of skeletal muscle? There are many functions, but we're going to talk about just four of them. The first function is movement. Movement is very important when it comes to skeletal muscle tissue. Bones are connected to muscles through the joints. When muscles contract or relax, the tendons will pull the bones, which allows our body to move. Also, it is very important that we sit up straight and have good posture. This posture session is usually and maintained as a result of your muscles contract care of yourself with exercising and a good diet. We can enhance our body shape and appearance as well as improve bone brightness. Maintain body temperature. The vascular system can with both the heating and cooling process in the body. In the heat, these muscles allow for sweat to be exported to the food, and it will cause the muscles and then warm the body for contracting quickly, which translates to shivering. Let's talk about the skeletal muscle groups. There are many muscle groups, but the most important one, remember, is the muscle always push and never push. So muscles work in pairs. Sometimes they work more than one pair, but they always work together. When one muscle and their contract, then like for example, if muscle hurt, they contract and pull in the opposite direction. So it end up going out. Thanks for watching.
So because we have learned today, and I wish everyone had it embedded in our minds, so that we can apply it in our real life. For our activities class, you just need this one. Compare and contrast the three types of muscles. Draw up a table that includes purpose like this, and also appearance and whether they are voluntary or involuntary. Take a picture or scan, and then you just submit your finished work as JPG format or PNG to our platform Moodle. So you can do it later for our discussion. Okay. And then for you to remember again what our class today or what we have discussed, we have the another game in our Jamboard. I will send the link in our chat box. So the only thing you need to do is match the following muscle tissues types according to their name and function. Simply just click the link that I have sent in our chat box. Okay, some of you still are starting answering it. You just drag the names below to the boxes. Okay. Very good. Okay, you can do it. Just drag. Okay. Okay, very good. Last one. Up. There. Almost. Okay. For those who can edit, you can edit it. Okay, very good. You have to remove the first one. There. Good job. Okay. So, very good for those who participated. So, these are our three types of muscles: cardiac, muscle tissue, the Our cardiac muscle are involuntary muscles. Okay. Skeletal muscle tissue are voluntary muscles. The only clue for the cardiac muscle is it is only in the heart. Okay, it's present only in our heart. And for the smooth muscle, they are involuntary also. Same with the skeletal muscle that you can. But the difference is you can control in our muscles in the skeletal muscle. Okay, that's the difference between the smooth and skeletal. Okay, so good job for everyone. And then for our I just have here for our presentation for our short quiz. Okay, choose the letter of the correct answer and chat your answer to our chat box. I only give you 10 seconds. Oh, you may answer. Okay, B. Okay, very good. Time is up. So the correct answer is, let's see who gets it. Letter D. So the first one who got the correct answer is Yuan. Very good. And some of you answered letter D. Good job. That's perfect. Everyone. And then for number 2, okay, you can start answering. One. Ethan also. So fast. Correct answer is muscles. But all of you get the correct answer. Okay, for our number 3 question. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is B, 40%. All of you get the correct answer. Or question number 4, what do you call a tough cord that connects the muscles to the bones? Okay, time is up. The correct answer is A. So the first one got the correct answer is Elizabeth, but all of you got the correct answer. Very good. Last but not the least, so what happened to the muscles when it contracts? Oh, that's an error. Okay. Okay, I think there's a difference here now. Okay, see, yeah, okay. The correct answer is C. It becomes short. So some of you answered A, and some of you answered C. So for those who answered letter C, very good. So for our homework class, it's so easy homework. Give at least 5 helpful habits that promote proper functioning of the muscular system. So where you're going to put your answer, type your answer in Microsoft Word and send it to this email, so in my email. So, with that, I think we have learned today, and I wish everyone had it embedded in our minds so that we can apply it in our real life. So, and that's it. That's it. Thank you everyone for listening, and have a good day to every one of us.